Go to yoga class. In a bustling city, two friends, Emily and Emma, navigated their busy lives. Emily, a single mother, balanced a demanding job and parenthood, while Emma, a budding entrepreneur, faced the challenges of starting her own business. Both women were on the brink of exhaustion, desperately seeking solace in their hectic lives. One day, Emily stumbled upon a quaint yoga studio tucked between towering buildings. Its sign, "Breathe, stretch, heal," intrigued her. She immediately thought of Emma, who often spoke of needing a break, a moment to just be. Together, they decided to explore yoga, drawn by its promise of physical and mental rejuvenation. Entering the studio, they found themselves in an oasis of calm, a stark contrast to the chaos outside. The instructor, a woman with a serene demeanor, welcomed them warmly. "Welcome to the first day of your journey inward," she said, her voice a soothing balm to their frayed nerves. Initially, yoga posed a challenge for Emily and Emma. Their bodies felt stiff and unyielding. However, the instructor's gentle guidance helped them navigate each pose. Her words, "Yoga is not about touching your toes, it's about what you learn on the way down," struck a chord with them. Gradually, they began to experience yoga's benefits. Emily's back pain eased, and her sleep improved. Emma found clarity in her thoughts, her anxiety slowly dissipating. The physical improvements were noticeable, but the mental transformation was even more profound. One evening, as they relaxed in Savasana, the room awash in soft light, Emma whispered, "I was so afraid I'd fail at this, just like with my business fears." Emily squeezed her hand reassuringly. "But we're doing it, aren't we? Finding our strength in the stillness." They encountered challenges, such as losing balance in difficult poses, but each setback was met with encouragement from their instructor and each other. "It's in the wobble where we find our strength," the instructor would say, a mantra they began to embrace. After yoga, they often discussed the positive impact it had on their lives. "I feel like I'm learning to breathe anew," Emily would say, her face brightening with a smile. Emma would agree, adding, "And I'm learning to face my fears, one breath at a time." Their practice not only enhanced their physical flexibility but also their mental resilience. They learned to confront fears with steady calmness, celebrating small victories both in and outside of yoga class. Yoga became their sanctuary, a place to release their worries and emerge more grounded and centered. Yoga brought a significant transformation to Emily and Emma's lives. It taught them to face life's challenges with calmness and gratitude, and it deepened their friendship.